Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be building the turrets. I've already started. I made a few pieces. See here I've made the front face and the shield for the machine gun. I also made the machine gun itself. Also added these things, these are triggers, which I hold. This is the rocket launcher thus far. And this is the gauze cannon. So we're going to be finishing those today. I also added this stick here so that you can change turrets and stuff as you want. Stick might be too heavy, but I think it'll work. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go find a smaller stick. Alright, so I went and I shortened up the stick a little bit just to make it a little bit lighter when we put it on here. Let's hope the styrofoam will be strong enough to hold it. I'm going to be putting a hole in this one. Using this thing, I just had it. It's like a long sort of cylinder file thing. It's good for making holes. And that came apart. Great. Gonna chuck a little bit more glue on there. And that'll fix it right up. Now on here, I will take this piece. I'm going to shorten it up. The gauze can has a little side gauge, like right here. Tells you when to fire. It's ready to fire, so I'm going to attach that. I'm just going to let that sit and dry. Now I'm going to attach the turret to its stand. I'm going to make this stand look a little nicer. I cut off a triangle there and I'm going to place it right here. That makes it look better. But this one is just going to stay the same. I'm not going to make any changes to the stand or anything. I'll put a few drops on there. Blue. And there we go. You just attach it on like that. Nothing fancy. Oops. Yeah, the windshield, I put a little rim around here for when we attach it to here. Make it a little easier. But actually, today I'm going to be painting this.
Keep the light on over here.
So I am going to be painting this sometime this day. I'm going to be painting this next. But I'm going to work painting on here. I got to do some more research on what I would like to look like. The colors of a warthog. So I got the basic body and everything of a warthog. But I don't just need the paint colors. But well, I'm going to do that all in the same episode. So I'll see you in just one moment. So I'm outside right now, I'm going to be painting it, and I can't really see well. Yeah, it's not really going to work. But, I'll just show you. I did put some tape in here. I'm going to paint this gray. This is where the headlights are. I'm going to paint those some different things. Then right here, on the side of the car, there's going to be a UNSC symbol there, and there's going to be some white stripes up here. So I just put some stuff there. Oh, and some of that, my other tape came off. So I'm just going to paint this all in Army Drab Green, which I've made. You can make it by combining green paint with brown paint. Get this nice Army Drabby color. That's what I'm going to paint it, so I'm going to go do that right now. Next time you'll see it is in the next video. So as always, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.